Welcome students. So today in this clip we will see the types of user-defined functions. In the last clip we saw the different types of functions which were built-in modules and then third type user-defined. Now in user-defined we will see four different types. What are those four different types? Here you can see. Number one is function with no arguments and no return value, which is this. Let me run it for you and then we will discuss. Okay, it is asking, so let me enter 5 into then 3. Okay, so when I run this is type 1. F welcome bracket then print command. Then here we are calling that function. Now this function has no arguments. There is nothing inside this bracket and there is no return statement. This is one type. What it does is it will simply print the type 1 hello world. See? Now number 2 is function with arguments and no return. That means there are arguments within the bracket, num and p. This provides num to the power p, but there is no return. So it prints 25, 5 to the power 2. Right? Now the third is, I don't know why it is here, but let me remove this. Now the third is function with no arguments but return value. No arguments with nothing inside the bracket. Def welcome bracket. But return is return print type 3 hello world good day. Welcome. So usually what we do in return is we assign the returned value to a variable. But here since it is print, so it will print the value which is hello world good day. So we call this function here welcome, and the value that the welcome is returning is not assigned to anyone. So if somebody is returning something, then it has to be taken by someone. Otherwise, we will drop that. Right? So the function is returning a value, we need to receive that value. So we need to assign that value to a variable. That is clear in the fourth example. So fourth is function with arguments and return value. So arguments, this function calculates the cube of a number. So the argument is number. The user will be prompted to enter a number. And what it is returning is, it is returning this cube of that number. And if you see here, it is not printing. So what we have to do is, when we are calling the cube function, cube bracket int input enter a number, which is this will calculate the cube of number whatever the user will enter and will store that value in result. The returned value is stored in result, and then finally it prints the result, which is 27 in our case. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. I entered 3. Okay. So these are the different user defined functions. In the next class, we'll see a particular function which is lambda. Okay. So keep trying, do practice more, and see you in next class. Thank you. Bye bye.